Hello, this is Tanina, and I'm back with another video. This time is a vegan dish, and this is sweet potato curry. These are some of the ingredients. We have sweet potato, cauliflower, onion, coconut milk, lime, spinach, chickpeas. There's some ginger right there, and tomato. So, first we're going to start with olive oil. You don't have to cover the bottom of the pan. I just like a little bit more olive oil just to add to the flavor. Once the oil is in, we're going to add onion. I added in yellow onion and red onion this time. It's a lot of onions, but I just love to taste the onions and stuff, so I put a lot in there. And it's a spicy dish, so not spicy as in hot, but like full of flavor and spice and herbs and stuff. So, and I put a lot of garlic in as well. Once the garlic is in, then I add the tomatoes. After the tomatoes, I put black pepper in, it's about a tablespoon, and some smoked sea salt just to add to the flavor. And mix this all around and let these cook down. You want the juices from the tomato to come out, and you want the onions to get soft. So, once that happens, as you can see right here, they're nice and soft. I like to smash the tomatoes up just to get them to turn, saucy. Let them, I guess, dissolve, kind of. So, I put my chickpeas in right afterwards. After they got done, a can of chickpeas. I didn't drain them too hard, just to add to the flavor. And then I added sweet potato and cauliflower. Oh, yeah, sweet potato and cauliflower. I'm sorry, guys, I got distracted. Okay, so we mixed that around. The next thing I'm doing is adding spice. Now, I didn't have any curry spice or curry paste, so I had to use the herbs that's used in curry paste or spice, which are turmeric. This is number one. This is just for the curry powder. Chili powder, cumin, and coriander. Now, I didn't have coriander, but that was the only thing I didn't have. So, then I added some cinnamon, some paprika, red chili flakes for some spice, just a little bit of allspice, and a little bit of nutmeg. It may sound weird, but I'm telling you, it's really good, and it adds flavor to the sweet potatoes. And then I added pink Himalayan salt just to season the potatoes and cauliflower. Right here is some ginger. I bought ginger paste. Ginger paste or powder goes into the curry spice or paste, but again, I didn't have that, so I had to make my own. So I mixed that all up. Then I add coconut milk. And the coconut milk is just going to make the sauce, give it that sauciness to it. You don't have to add no water or anything. And as you can see right here, it's turning like a yellow orangey color, which is so pretty. But the potatoes have to get cooked, so turn the heat down to about low, so like a low temperature. Put the lid on and let it cook. As that's cooking, I started the rice. This right here is a mixture of wild rice and brown rice. I can't say exactly how to make it. I just followed the directions on the bag, but I added some olive oil for flavor. And if you're a vegan, that'll substitute for butter. Some sea salt, pink Himalayan sea salt for flavor, and some basil because I just felt like the basil would taste really good in the rice. So you put that on the stove, wait for it to boil, and then you cover it up. Put it on simmer and let that cook for 45 minutes. Well, that's what the bag said. Follow the directions on the bag. Okay, so this is what the curry looks like cooked down. The sweet potatoes are done. I'm checking to see if it's soft. Just take a sweet potato and press into it to see if it's soft. I'm having a hard time right now because I'm looking through the camera and not, my natural eye, but okay. But once that's done, once the potatoes are soft, you add the spinach. It looks like a lot of spinach, but spinach wilts down and it cooks. So I let that wilt down a little bit at the bottom, and then I mixed it in, just like this. Then I put the lid on for about 2-3 minutes, and it cooked down. Once that's cooked down, it's basically done. All you have to do is add your lime juice, as I'm doing right here. I added a whole lime because I wanted to taste that as well. It's not really limey, so don't get scared by that either. Trust me, it's really good. This is a bomb recipe, and you don't miss the meat, and it's really good. It's really good. So, mix that all up. It's finished. This is what it looks like done. It's beautiful. So now we get into the rice. Okay, so I added a little bit too much water. It wasn't mushy. It was cooked right. It was just a little too wet for me, but it turned out fine. It still tasted good. So this is me bowling. I put it in a bowl, plating it up, whatever you want to call it. Put some rice down, and then I add some of the curry. Look how pretty that is. It's so good. I'm telling y'all, this dish is really good, guys. So y'all should try it. Put a little bit more on there because I wanted some more. And this is what it looks like all done. And that's just beautiful. I'm telling you, it's really good though, guys. It's so flavorful. You don't even miss the meat. So I'm gonna stop talking right now. The video coming up of me eating it. You know, so I guess I just be quiet and let y'all watch me eat. Alright. Look, you can see this. Eat my curry. Oh, it's so good. Healthy. Really good. Alright, last bite. Some spinach. All right, well that's it. This is sweet potato curry. I thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and you have a nice day.